learning target 3, part 2. So second type of solving equations. We're solving logarithmic equations. Ooh, that sounds really cool. So these are the ones when you have log only on one side. So let's take a quick note. Log on one side. When you have log on one side, step 1, convert logs to exponential. Okay, so this is just opposite of yesterday. Yesterday we had a exponential equation, so our first step was to convert to log. Today we have logarithmic equations, so we convert to exponential. And then, you'll see. I feel like sometimes first step is all that's hard, because after the first step, it just makes sense. So the base is in the basement, right? Base is 2. Exponent is 4 equals x. Done. I know, you must be like, wait a minute, what is this? This is too simple. Just don't forget to please put in the calculator. 2 to the 4th power, 16. So we're gonna call it 16. Done. Second one. All right, base. Should we write this one more time? Base and some number, and that's always the exponent. So we'll call it a. But that'll be the base, exponent, and equals the number, right? So just remember, that's a key for every single thing we're doing this learning target. So next one, base is 5, exponent is 6, that is x. 5 to the 6th power. Big number coming along, 15625. 15625. All right, move on. You can handle this. Ta-da! These all different types, they all have log on one side, so they all have the same first step. Convert log to exponents. So let me see. Oh, this time base is the x, and then 5, then 7, 7, 7, and 6. There is a way to solve this, like to get rid of the 5th power, but we really want you to just focus on guessing and checking. When the base is unknown, guess, and check. So what do you mean by guessing and checking? You know how it's like some number to the 5th power is 7,776? So try this, try this. What am I doing? So instead of x being x, you just try different numbers and it will work. So let's see. 3 to the 5th. Nope. 4 to the 5th. Nope. 5 to the 5th. Nope. 6 to the 5th. See? And then there you go have it. So you just guess and check, and I just found out the 6 to the 5th is 7776. So x is 6. We'll move on to the next part. So let's try one more. Base is dx. Exponent is 4. And that's 81. Start guessing, start checking. So try 2 to the 4th. Try 3 to the 4th. Try 4 to the 4th. Like one of these will turn out to be 81. Let's see. 3 to the power of 4th. What? That's 81? As if I knew this before. So x is 3. So when base is unknown, guess and check. Next set. Move over. All right. Hi. I like how I can move my boxes around. So I can be right there, whatever you're working on. First step, all of these that have log on one side, they all have the same first step. So switch it. 8 is the base. X is exponent. Oh, no. Oh, no. I totally knew it, and then I well, okay, you know what? Let's do it. 8 to the power x equals 5. Do you see? You should notice that, I'm stuck. What do I do? I feel like just because I said one side log means you have to convert into exponential, that will happen to you just like how it happened to me. It will happen. But you just think about it. 8 to the x equals 5, it doesn't work. It's not possible to solve the exponents unless you go back to the log. So then you should know, wait a minute, I should not have done this. Why? You know why? Because that is something that we can put in the calculator for. And sometimes because that's actually easier, people tend to forget. You just saw me forgetting. I totally forgot that we were supposed to put in the calculator. So in the calculator, you want to put, can you see the calculator? I don't think I can see anything because of this funny sunglasses. Just math all the way down to the log base. 8, 5, press enter. 0.773. Just like the area code in Chicago. So there, that was X. See, they tried to trick me. How dare they? So let's try one more. Log, oh no, math, change base, 489 equals 3.237, goes on forever, right? So you need to subtract 3. In my calculator, I'm just going to put subtract 3, enter. And then, so that's 0.237 goes on forever. You want to divide it by 2 to get rid of the 2. So divide 2, enter, 0.1189. So if you round it, it'll be 0.12. There. So, I mean, this last type fooled me. So what should we say? I just have, I want the notes to be something that means something to you that you will remember. I mean, yeah, of course I want log on one side, step 1, convert log to exponent. Super important for you to jot it down. But then, other than that, once you get the first step, I feel like you can kind of see what's going on. Like when the base is unknown, then gets in check. But the last part, that had log with a number and a number. Right, I'll just put number and a number. That's what happened. Then use the calculator. The power of calculator. I almost forgot. Sorry about that. But please remember, that's how you do it. See you on the next one.